Next up, big kudos, 2023 award to the folks at Atomos for the new Ninja, Ninja Ultra, Shogun, and Shogun Ultra. We have been selling Ninjas and Shoguns for years. Great products. The Ninja V was probably one of our best-selling products of all time. What the folks at Atomos have done have put it in a higher performance engine, bigger processing, more features, more capabilities, but where these products really come to life is when you connect them using the connected workflows. Now, the Ninja and the Ninja Ultra, you can add the Connect to them. That's a module that can be added right now for just $100 more. Or the Shogun and the Shogun Ultra come with the Connect. What the Connect gives you is a whole host of remote and cloud-based workflows that really let these products shine and do things that they couldn't do before. But even so, you're talking about the Ninja for a 5-inch monitor, Ninja Ultra, Videoguys, top new product of 2023. And to go even further, the Shogun and Shogun Ultra 7-inch monitor field recorders with cloud connectivity, a Videoguys top product of 2023. Congratulations, Atomos. Well done on the next generation of your always award-winning best-selling products, the Atomos Ninja and Shogun.